Hello everyone. So I want to make a quick video here to show you some of the basics on how you will go about installing the software ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap for this class. So you should receive this email from me. It should be posted in the announcements. You can kind of read through this. But when you get to the link down here, I want you to click on that. And it'll open up this website here where it's the student trial, and you get a 1-year trial version of the full software package. This is everything that's going to be included with that. So I assume that you're not going to have an account, and you're going to need to create an account. But since I have an account, I don't want to walk through this part. So basically what you'll do is you'll click on this, you'll just put in your name, email, I would use your school email, and fill that out. So since I have an account, I'm going to click on this, sign in. And so you'll get to this section as well once you have done the registration process. And you should have received this code here. This is not the code. This is just an example, so don't use this one. But it'll start with a EVA. So I'm going to have a code here that I'm going to use just for this. Oh, that would not be the code. Let me somehow get this code here. Put this in there. You can copy and paste it in. Don't use this code again because this code will not work for you. You should have your own code. Then I'll activate it. And this is where we get to. So these are all the different versions of ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro that we can have. So for this class, let's just use the latest version, which is 2.4. And when you do this, the textbook was written for an earlier version. So if you're using ArcGIS Pro 2.4, some of the things might look a little different than the book, but that's okay. So let's just click on this. And this will give us the options, kind of read through here. It's kind of part of the email that went out to. But what we want is ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Desktop. So you're going to download both of these. So if I download that, it's going to download here. And it's going to take a while, as you can see. And then I'll also download ArcMap. And it's download. Notice that it's going to end here as a .exe. .exe is an executable file. So once you get that and you run those, it'll install it onto your computer, install it onto your C drive. I'm not going to install it because I already have it on my computer and I can't install on top of another version. So just run these like you would normal files, save them to your C drive, and you should be good to go.